class 11, studying in OP General Modern School. I joined Vishesh Academy in the year 2021. Vishesh Academy of Commerce provides a different, innovative and vigorous learning experience in the challenging field of commerce. The institute gives its students the greatest level of satisfaction through its commitment and selfless efforts in teaching. They help us to develop a practical approach towards the subject matter rather than cramming the matter. They help us to do self-analysis and improve for better. They also provide recorded lectures that help us to cover a topic in case missed. I'm a proud Visheshian and would advise you to do away with all your academic worries by becoming a Visheshian.